What I'm going to show you about is how to understand the graphs you made from your experiment when you were heating the ice. So what I've done is a sketch. You'll notice there's no numbers, but the axes are labelled. So I've done a sketch of a graph that shows what it should have looked like when ice was melting. It started off at under 0 degrees, that's why it was all solid. Then, as it heated up, when we put the water in it, we got Bunsen going, it all started to melt. What you have to be able to do is explain each of those sections and generalise what's happening to the particles. So maybe even drawing a diagram of what's happening to the particles at each step. This is probably one of the hardest things you have to do and understand about melting and boiling. So that's why we're getting it videoed, so that we can go through this as a class. I'm going to go through sections A, B and C with you in this video. You are going to have to go through sections D and E yourselves. So you'll have to do your own generalisation in your own notebook on D and E. I won't give you those two. All right? Hopefully you'll see a pattern that you can use. Okay, so in section A, this is where it is ice. What state of matter is ice?
Solid.
Great. So here we're going to say A. It is a solid. What do you see is happening as we put more heat energy in? We're heating this up. What's happening to it?
It's melting and becoming a liquid.
It's melting, not quite yet. This is where your graph started, at the start of B. But that's still good. So remember that's for B. What's happening to the temperature according to the graph?
It's rising.
Great, the temperature is increasing. So as it is heated, the temperature, nearly badly planned,